What's up guys, Chigs here from Chigs Tech Reviews. So today I've got my hands on the Peakago mini convertible notebook priced at only $279 on Indegogo. So quick unboxing. And we got some words of wisdom here for you guys to read. Okay, let's keep going. So this is everything you get in the box, which includes a user manual. You have here a USB Type-C charging cable and the Peakago itself. So here it is guys, the mini convertible notebook. What a cute little machine. Now this is running full version of Windows 10 Home. It's super lightweight at only 539 grams. And you have a flexible hinge just like the Lenovo YogaBooks. So the screen opens all the way back on itself, giving you a handy 7-inch tablet, or you can even use it in tent mode and enjoy your content anywhere you like. Now, first impressions, the quality does feel quite nice. Nothing creaks around, everything feels pretty solid. The keyboard is a miniature version. You have a black button mouse. It's a button mouse, but it's quite responsive. And you do have the left and right click as well. Spacebar is chopped in half. I am in tablet mode. If I go back into desktop mode, just to show you that you do have a full version of Windows 10 Home. So you can download and install all your regular Windows apps and enjoy that on this system. Now the main selling points is it's portable, lightweight at only 539 grams. It's only 17 millimeters thick. So quite portable. That could fit in your pocket, but it will definitely fit in your bag. Here's my iPhone 11 Pro Max as a comparison. So nice and portable in size. Now you do have stereo speakers, full version of Windows 10 Home, so you can install all your regular Windows apps and enjoy it on this small screen. Now there is a micro HDMI port on the side, so you can hook this up to the big screen. But you also got a microSD card, headphone jack, USB 3 and USB-C fast charging. So it does support fast charging. I believe a 4G model is available as well, if that's what you're after. Here's the back of the unit. You've got a single vent, and on the other side you've got nothing. So all the ports are on the right hand side. Definitely a useful set of ports there. Now the design again is quite nice. It does feel very nice to the touch. It's finished in matte black and you've got the Peakago logo on the front. Minimalistic design, but again I do like it quite a bit. If we talk about the screen tech, it's a 7-inch IPS display and that brightness is only halfway. So I could turn it up and you can see that that is super bright. So a very nice bright IPS display, and as you can see it is a full touchscreen and it's very responsive. So great quality screen. I'm going to play some video on this just to show you the performance. So let's just go into YouTube first of all, and that keyboard is definitely going to take some getting used to. Now this little notebook is actually powered by the Intel Atom Z8 350 with 8 gigs of RAM and a generous 128GB internal storage. And if we have a quick look at the C drive, you can see 114 gigs are usable, and from that you have 89.2 gigs of free space. Now the Intel Atom is not a powerhouse by any means. It's good for web browsing, doing your shopping online, sending and receiving emails, and of course watching Chigs Tech Reviews every day on YouTube. So it's great for your general tasks. And you do have access to the complete Windows App Store, so all the popular apps and games are there ready for you to download. Now we're going to test out the system performance by playing a game. Now this is just the Atom processor with Intel HD graphics, so not expecting a super powerful performance, but nevertheless, let's check out one of the games. So Beach Buggy Racing actually played quite well. Let's try something a little bit more graphic intense. Now there is a web camera built into the side. It's a 0.3 megapixel webcam, and I will quickly load it up to show you what it looks like. So here it is, 0.3 megapixels, photos, and if you click on video, you can do 480p video at 30 frames per second. So that is what you can expect in terms of picture quality. I will take a picture and share that with you. There you go. So 0.3 megapixel, you can't expect much, but you can also do video calls. You can install Skype and do video chatting on this quite easily. Now this notebook has an amazing 4500 milliamp hour battery. It supports USB-C fast charging, and I was able to achieve an 8-hour battery life with web browsing and watching YouTube videos. So a very, very impressive battery life. Now let's talk about the main features, the main highlights of this product. You got a full Windows 10 home, built-in Bluetooth, you got a headphone jack, you got a square thumb mouse, which is actually quite responsive and much better than I expected it to be. You've got micro HDMI, micro SD card slot, USB-C fast charging, and a USB 3 port. So a pretty well equipped portable mini notebook by Peakago. Definitely check this one out. I will leave the links in the description box below. And for the price point and the fact that it's a convertible style laptop, very well made, doesn't feel cheap at all, definitely a winner in my books. Meanwhile, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you all have a brilliant day. I'll see you guys in the next one.